In this guide, I'll show you how to use dynamic wallpapers in iOS 18. So if you want to utilize the new iOS feature where you can set a wallpaper that changes its colors dynamically, then keep watching as in this video I'll show you exactly how we can do this. Now before we start, you need to head over to the settings app on your phone, scroll down to battery and ensure that low power mode is turned off. Once you have low power mode turned off, head back over to the settings menu, scroll down to accessibility. From the list of options, click on motion and make sure reduce motion is also turned off. This can cause issues when creating the color animation, so you need to ensure that this is off in order for it to work correctly. Once you've done that, we can then head back over to the main settings page, and then you need to scroll all the way down to wallpaper. From here, select add new wallpaper and then scroll down to the new iOS 18 section. As you can see here in the previews, these are the wallpapers that change color dynamically, so you can just scroll through this list and find the color palette that you want to use. Once you've selected your wallpaper, you then need to swipe between the different styles. Now do note, if you do want this wallpaper to change colors dynamically, you need to make sure you have it set to dynamic mode. It's the one all the way over to the left. You can set it to these flat colors like yellow and pink, but this will not change the color of the wallpaper. So I'm going to set mine back over to dynamic, and once you're ready, click on the add button in the top right hand side. Now you can choose to either set this as a wallpaper pair, and that's going to change both your lock screen and your wallpaper, or you can just customize your home screen separately. So for me, I'm going to click on set as wallpaper pair, and there we have it. We've now created a dynamic wallpaper for iOS 18. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.